we will discuss about the PHP RAD. Chapter 1, Get to know the PHP RAD. For the learning content, we will learn about the introduction to PHP RAD. Second is the building web application. Third is creating forms and managing data. The fourth is security and user management. And the fifth is reports, customization, and optimization. So PHP RAD is a rapid application development framework that enables users to create full web application within minimal coding experience. It utilizes the model view controller or MVC architecture, ensuring scalable and industry standard projects. So the PHP RAD is a rapid development framework for building web application with a minimal coding. So let's talk about the PHP RAD amazing features. For the features of the PHP RAD. First features is the drag and drop approach. So the PHP RAD enables developers to drag and drop components into pages and configure them to meet specific functional requirements, simplifying the customization process. So simplifies customization with a drag and drop interface for easy component placement and configuration. Next is the components and dashboard of PHP RAD. Um, PHP RAD allows users to integrate various components into pages, including records, counts chart, dynamic menus, and adds dynamic menus, subpages, and more. So the PHP RAD enables a integration component for the record counts, charts, dynamic menus, subpages, and more.
One of the standout features of PHP-RAD is the form wizard, which allows users to create various styles of form wizards, submit forms step by step or all at once at the final step, improve the user experience when handling large forms. This feature improve this feature is particularly useful for applications requiring structured data input. Security features. PHP-RAD prioritizes security by addressing common vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, prevents unauthorized database access, cross-site scripting or XSS, protecting against malicious scripts, cross-site request forgery or CSRF, ensures secure authentication. Additionally, PageParade supports user registration and account management, profile updates, email changes, and password resets. Application menu styles navigation is crucial in web development, and PHPRAD provides multiple application menu styles and positions to choose from. A customizable navigation layout to match users' preferences. This flexibility allows developers to create applications with a user-friendly interface. The images showcase the fixed tap only feature in PHPRAD. The fixed tap only setting ensures that the top navigation bar remains fixed while users scroll through the page. This layout is useful for applications that require constant access to the main navigation menu, enhancing usability and accessibility.
Fixed side left and right features allow developers to create persistent navigation panels on either side of a web application. The fixed side left keeps a visible menu for easy navigation, while the fixed side right can be used for extra tools or settings. These features enhance usability and accessibility, making them ideal for dashboard and admin panels. Static and fixed left-only features allow developers to create a left-side navigation panel that remains either static or fixed. This enhances user experience by providing easy access to menus and navigation options, making it ideal for admin panels and web application. Auto-generated report pages feature allows developers to automatically create report pages with built-in export options like PDF, image, Word, and Excel. This simplifies data reporting and enhances usability, making it easy to generate and share reports efficiently. Exported report page in Word feature allows users to generate and export reports directly into a Word document. This makes it easy to edit, share, and format reports for documentation or presentation purposes.
Mobile responsive application. Ang mga application na ginawa gamit ang PHP-RAD ay automatikong sumusuporta sa scalability at mobile responsiveness. Ang mga ito ay maayos na nag-a-adjust sa iba't ibang laki ng screen at uri ng device, tulad ng mga computer, tablet, at smartphone. Dahil dito, hindi kailangang gumawa ng hiwalay na mobile version ng mga application. Ito ay kusang nag-aangkop sa screen na gumagamit, kaya madaling i-navigate at gamitin kahit anong device ang gamitin. Creating data table. Ginagawang mabilis at organisado ng PHP-RAD ang paggawa ng mga data table, kaya mas madali ang pagtingin at pag-edit ng mga informasyon. Sa larawang ito ay isang dashboard ng Nice Shop, ang sample ng e-commerce system. Mayroon itong listahan ng mga produkto na nakaayos ayon sa kategorya. Makikita ang mga impormasyon ng produkto tulad ng ID, pangalan, kategorya, presyo ng pagbili at pagbenta, at dami ng stock. At sa larawang ito, pinapakita nito ang mga detalye ng produkto sa sistemang MyShop Online. May larawan ng produkto kasama ang mga detalye tulad ng pangalan, paglalarawan, presyo at dami ng stock. At sa larawan naman ito, may isa pang dashboard ng Nice Shop. Nakafilter ang mga produkto sa kategoryang canned food at vegetables. Gaya ng unang larawan, may listahan ng produkto, mga presyo, at mga button para sa pag-edit, pagtingin at pagtanggal ng mga produkto.
PHP-RAD amazing features. The first one is the custom grid page. Users can create and edit custom grids and components in PHP-RAD to match the desired appearance and functional requirements. And based dun sa images is parang yung mga users is pwede nila i-edit yung parang desired nila na appearance ng UI. Pwede yung number na sa gilid as yung main content is nasa kabilang gilid. The second one is PHP-RAD allows users to edit grid pages using an advanced code editor that offers different themes and similar to a light version of Sublime Text Editor. Mas nakikita nyo sa dalawang image ito is parang similar siya kay Notepad++, and si PHP-RAD is ina-allow din yung users na mag-edit ng mga code. The third one, Advanced Query Builder. Advanced Query Builder with SQL Code Editor. And nakikita nyo itong dalawang image ito is parang siya, similar sa SQL dun sa SAP, pero parang lang siya, light version. Parang mas madali lang.
RBAC Business Logic Model. Implement RBAC Business Logic Model into your application. Ang RBAC is role-based access control. Kunwari sa system, may tinatawag na CRUD, create, read, update, delete. Magbibigay yung pinaka-admin ng role ng bawat users. Kunwari yung isang user, create, read lang siya, create, update lang siya, tapos yung isa naman, delete. Tapos yung sa mga reads, sila lang yung mga nasa front end, hindi sila makakapasok sa loob, sa back end. 27. May modern bootstrap templates, over 60 bootstrap templates. Maganda din tong bootstrap sa mga icons, sa mga fonts. Kaso mas maganda na ang ating font.google. Mas modern yung mga icons nila tsaka fonts nila. PHP-RAD, amazing features. It offers intuitive component designers that provides help, description, and hints, making it easier for users to build application tailored to their specifications. So technically pinapadali ni PHPRAD ang ating paggawa ng system. PHPRAD, eto, amazing features na naman. May mga pagpipilian ka ng menus, dalawa. May mga pagpipilian ka ng charts, madami, by bar, pie, line, etc. Clean and simple codes. PHPRAD generates a well-structured. Ito pa yung amazing features ng PHPRAD. It generates a well-structured and professionally commented code utilizing a simple yet powerful view controller or MVC framework. Ang MVC framework, let's discuss it sa next na slide. Ang MVC framework is a model view controller design which is an approach to ensure a clear separation of user action handled by controllers models from views templates. So technically tong controller siya yung nagko-connect ng mga sa lahat sa database sa front end ganun. Kasi tong model na tinatawag natin is siya yung parang back end, siya yung nagko-control sa database. Itong view naman, siya yung front end. Siya yung HTML lang ba? Tapos itong model is siya yung gumagamit ng PHP. So itong si controller, siya yung nagko-connect ng mga yan. Tapos kung bakit magandang gamitin ang MVC para sa mas malinis tsaka mas madaling i-maintain na system. Kasi separate sila. Thank you.